How to download and install Canva application on Android mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To download and install Canva app on your Android device, firstly, launch a Google Play Store in your mobile device. Once you are logged in your Play Store, at the bottom select on the search icon. At the top in the search bar, go ahead and search for Canva. Tap on the app suggestion and tap on Install in order to download this application in your mobile device. Once the application install is complete, tap on the Open button. To use a Canva application, you will have to log in using your Canva account, or if you have not signed up yet, you can continue using your Google account or your Facebook account as well. After the sign up, you can create your very own poster, pamphlet, presentation, and more to showcase your creativity. This sums up the tutorial as well. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorial.